a prophet has spoken. The Bible speaks about another man who is a mutilanga lime. Because these are abilities are invested to a man. So meaning, in other words, you are the one that can tell, oh, in your family, who can stand in the gap for your family. This thing has to end. Because of you, so see the seal, you stand as a voice, a prophetic voice. Not in my time. This will not happen. Not in my family. As far as you show now, good Jena. As far as you show, I'm about to sit there. A generation that's a kind of that's a share with Jalo. So, in other words, you need to be a watchman and stand in the gap. Not in my family. Oh, may you arise as a watchman over your family to close all the portals and the amazing to open all the words. The big top and the amazing. When I see this, that's a bad. And I want to call the one you have identities. Call the one you want to put your home again. Come and stop letting me contain. Hallelujah, what you must stand as a believer. Which you have faith, you have power, you carry the power of God, you have Christ in you, you are led by the Spirit of God, you carry power. She cannot not get no code, she put me up to no code, she could put up to no code, she cannot went to a code. She might be so not in the office, so not any note. This is the truth, so what's in your Taylor? Papa in your Taylor, who could I get that Taylor? So people that get you, when you were in your Taylor. You stand as a prophet. Look at the mommy, they can't die like this. Otherwise, you shouldn't have seen me. Otherwise, you shouldn't have been open. I stand as a prophet. I stand as a prophet. I declare anything upon